Wait lang.
Oh, it's
I'm gonna
hot.
take a photo first.
Okay.
Ayan, sige. Enjoy mo na. Ate cleaning her car. She put the wood. Yes. Mind you ha, guys, these are freshly made. Kakaluto lang nito, di ba? Yes.
What is this?
Ano to, tite? Calamares. Ooh, sweet. Ano? Calamares. Sweet. Calamares.
We're gonna get some.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
Sige. Oh, kaway muna. Hi. Ganon. Yan.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
See, ito na. Two veggies.
Come back.
Yun favorite ko. Then the calamari. And then this is isaw, the intestine, but it's wrapped in flour.
Go.
Masarap.
Yeah, it's good.
This boy here, are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
There you go.
After the gentleman, I'm gonna grab squid.
Ano ba? Ito pati yung tong nasa akin. Ako na nung pinagbibili tapong nasa daan. Thank you.
So good.
Look guys,
Now I'm having the squid. That's gonna be next.
look guys, look my egg.
All right, let me check out Gabe. What do you got, Gabe?
Look my egg.
Oh my
I
goodness!
removed all the
What did you
skin.
do?
Help.
All right, he's a happy boy. Gwen's gonna get me some squid here in a minute. Now we'll try that. Man, oh man, the food here is fantastic. People are nice. It's a fantastic food. Beautiful country.
It is.
Traffic is crazy. That's about it.
I'm just trying to refry it
Okay.
and eat it. You know.
Here, let's check it out. Let's look. Beep beep bum jeep.
My which one's the squid?
I'm frying it. It's right here.
No, which one?
Let's check out that jeep. While they're frying the squid, we're gonna look at this jeep. It's an old jeep. Of course, everybody knows the history of jeepneys. They were provided by the United States Army back in World War II, and of course the Philippines. They took care of them and started using them for their public transportation. This is one of the oldest models that they have. You'll see videos of people hanging on the back of it, on the top of the rooftop. Any way they can get in. All right, so now we're gonna go back over to see how Gwen's doing with the calamari, with the squid. All right. Da, 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 da. Again, first time using this GoPro. I hope it turns out great for everybody. And as you can see, the line is piling up. Check it out. It's a good spot. Very good spot.
Wait for you.
Go. All right, now we have some calamari, folks.
Yeah, he's mine.
All right, there you go. Calamari, hot. Gonna wait a little bit.
Kuya,
Is it
what
to
time
eat?
did it start?
What's that? You're gonna eat it?
I'm interviewing Kuya. What time
Oh.
does he start? 9 in the morning. You're here now? 9 in the morning.
9 o'clock in the morning. And how late do you stay?
8 o'clock at night.
Long time.
Hard working. If you don't mind, Kuya, I'll ask ka.
11 hours.
In
shift.
one day, how much is the biggest profit that you've made?
800.
800. If it's busy, 800. If it's not busy, matumal,
Umabot lang po ng 600.
600 if it's, you know, what do you call that? Slow day.
Woo. Hot.
Yeah, I
But
just
then
took my
800 to 900. It's not bad. But I heard in Bayan, some of those guys that are selling there, they earn.
Marami kasing tao po.
Oh, and you think that they are
We're gonna go across the street here in a minute.
Side by side, table side. Outside.
Maybe after this Jeep. Alright, so here's the shot. Here's where they're located. Actually, right near that Jeep. You come down to RP Shooters area. You see that red Jeepney? They're always right after it. Always. You have salesmen walking the street. We're gonna try some more calamari. It is getting sunny out. What can I help you with, sir? Tilapia. I heard tilapia behind me. So good. It is soft, crispy. I don't know, all in one. It's just fantastic. And it's a good piece of calamari inside there, not just a little chunk. I think that's all, folks. What do you got? You got more?
This is breaded isaw. Breaded intestine. Lahat naman gusto i-try nito pag sumakit.
Ayoko ba?
That kid could eat non-stop. He's a growing boy.
Kuya, may lang kumain yan. Yung pekpek kumakain yan. Pero yung ito, yung calamari, ngayon lang saka yung isaw. Are
Is
you
it good?
okay?
Very good
Sabi
chicken
niya kasi,
intestines?
I wanna try street food din.
Gabe? Is that good chicken intestines?
Masarap.
This is chicken intestines.
It's hot.
Tinan mo ngayon, nagulat siya na isang pinakain niya.
The boy didn't blow. Blow on your food. Pull it down.
Kumakain ako niya, yung anak ko ayaw. Lalo na yung pangalan.
All right. These guys are hard workers here. The trike drivers. Pedaling.
Masarap? Diba ito kay kuya?
And they are going uphill, folks. That is uphill. And of course you got these guys. Awesome people. Tell you what, I don't want to leave. Those of you who have come to the Philippines know already. Once you come here, you do not want to leave. And then if you do come and you do happen to leave, then you come back. Hey, that reminds me, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, check it out. There's going to be more content. More content than just noveliches. You know, I love noveliches. But we're going to go to certain places very soon. And of course, when I go back to the States, you're going to be in the truck with me. And we're going to explore the United States while I work. It'll be interesting. I'm sure there'll be some good content. What is it, buddy?
Want some?
No, thank you.
I love chicken intestines.
More food for him. But anyway, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that way you're notified every time I put on a new video. Hey, there they are again. Yeah, you won't be disappointed. Plus, we have this GoPro, and we're gonna use it. We're gonna use it and give you guys some awesome content. All right. Da-da-da.
They're asking if you know how to speak Tagalog.
Not so much.
What do you know? What Tagalog do you know?
I gotta turn the camera off for that one.
Alam niyo yung mga sala.
All right, very masarap. I know.
Masarap. Yun lang.
Very good. Let's do another picture before we hang up. Before we stop the video. I don't want to get hit by a car. What's that?
See, one way. This is one-way street, but it's so busy because from the
Very busy.
market.
Ano natin mamaya si Sir. Tracking ba?
Yeah, trucking with bud.
Tracking.
T-R-U-C-K-I-N-G. Take a photo of you and
I
them.
will.
alright?
I will. That's the plan. Yeah, right now content here in the Philippines. In about a month, you'll see more content from the United States. Masarap?
You get a full belly for 88 pesos.
How much was all that?
88.
88 pesos. Here's your e-bike. Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Isaw? Like isaw? Intestine? Isa pa? Okay, you can have one. Yeah. Tapos that's intestine masahawan.
There goes the beer. Cerveza. San Miguel. Just drove by.
Okay ka na?
Yeah, we need a drink. Go
I
home,
want
get some water.
water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you. Kuya, I'd say thank you. Salamat. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, look at this. Boko juice. Buko. That's Buko juice.
You mean the whole thing? You want?
I would, but that's okay. Let's go home and get some water. All right, we're gonna walk back to the house, get a drink of water, plus I gotta work in a couple hours. And it is hot, I still gotta take a shower, so does Gabe. So we'll just walk, and you could people watch, check out the traffic, watch how it flows.
You want Spanish bread?
Huh?
Anything from the bakery? No?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, let's go to the bakery. Get back!
Your friends are here.
Hey, what's up, guys? We are at a bakery shop. See if I can get the name of the bakery shop. There's no name. Well, that's a shame. But it is right off of, can't see that street. Let's see. Well, it's on the street going to the house. I don't see a name.
Okay. Spanish or the one with the coconut? I like coconut. Spanish bread, cheese bread. The thing is, David, excuse. Okay. Here, one more time.
Come behind me, Gabe.
Spanish. It's like mango bread, and then the cheese bread. These are pudding, and that one is I don't know in English, like putok, and then it's emada, and pan de coco. My favorite. Abili.
Let's get your food.
Hi. Pan de coco kuya, magkano isa? 5.
Of course.
5 nun. Ayoko na. And then
So,
Spanish
other
din.
things.
Dalawa
That's all yours.
All yours.
Ano po bang yung YouTube channel?
Oh. Trucking with what? Meron kang Facebook? Ay, may YouTube ka?
Opo.
Ito, ganito. Ito yung spelling Sino magaling sa spelling dyan?
Ako po.
Getting new fans.
Trucking
You have a piece of paper?
Okay?
Just write it
May
down.
papel ka ba? Ano, may papel dito. May papel.
Alam ko yung spell ng tag.
Ayan. Babe, I'll take a photo of you.
I am. We'll get a picture together, you guys?
Sama niya daw kayo para nandun kayo sa vlog niya.
Alright, let's see.
Parang magisigat mga kabay.
Alright, so we just purchased some more items from the bakery.
This is a local bakery.
Alright, what do we have?
Spanish bread.
Spanish bread.
Spanish and the pan de coco. Pan de coco is like coconut filled. This one's Spanish. It has like not a custard, but something custardy.
Alright,
And then it's rolled in crumbs like that. Sarap.
looks
Try
good.
it at home.
Alright, we're gonna try it at home and then we'll record it from there. And we're gonna go back out. And they leave the curtains up just to get that sun out of here because it gets really hot. Alright, so now we're walking back to the house. Very nice group of kids. I'm sure they'll say hello on the channel. Yeah. Yeah. That's in the Nova Delicious area. Alright, so here's some Jeeps, some more Jeepneys, and of course their hub is right around the corner here. I'll point that out to you. I'm sure you've seen it already on one of my videos. And it's on the left side, right over here. Check them out. Might be shift change. See if I get a shot of the back. It is. There you go. It is hot. Nice and hot. I love it hot. I don't want to get smacked, so I'm going to go this way. Alright, so we're about to walk back into the compound. That was an eventful time. Got a haircut. Me and the boy got a haircut. And you saw the price, 80 peso per haircut. And we're going back into the compound.
Hello, boy.
Well, hello, kitty kitty.
Hey! Alaga ko yan eh. Alaga na nga siya.
That is way.
Anyway,
Oh, Dave is gone.
yes. You're on.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, my friend.
Masarap.
Masarap man eh. Bye-bye, kuya.
Okay, okay.
My
Bye-bye.
friend, thank you.
Welcome. Give me 1 pack of money. Peanuts.
Alright. We're gonna go ahead and cut this off for now until I get around the corner.